Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. Today I am memory planning the week of Christmas using this absolutely stunning kit by Sadies Stickers. It's called Wonderland and it is silver foiled. I just love how muted and neutral this kit is with the pops of the cranberry red. Love it. I am obsessed with this. And I have been so excited to plan with this kit. It is just so stunning and perfect for memory planning Christmas. Um, I I've mentioned this before, but like last year I bought a whole bunch of Sadie stickers, like grab bag kits or grab like overstock kits, and I literally got 6 Christmas kits in that like order randomly. And so I have a ton of Sadie Stickers Christmas kits. This was my absolute favorite out of the bunch, and so I just had to use it for Christmas this year. I am also still in my A5. I've been really, really enjoying this like slightly different format. It's just like it's different enough for this to be fun and interesting and different. And I'm showing you here that Archie got to my rose colored days overlay tape date dots, which kills me, but also it's still usable, so crisis averted there. But yeah, hey guys, I'm here. I'm still alive. I'm still planning or trying to plan or thinking of planning. I am like way into my home. I combine house and home buying process, and it's just been a complete whirlwind. I'm so excited to like share more of that process with you as the weeks go on. But yeah, you'll hear more about that as we get into those weeks, into memory planning those weeks. So I am a full month behind, but when I filmed this video or this like God, what am I saying? I am a whole month behind, but I also like just planned the week of New Year's last night also. So I will not be as, I think I like caught up 1 week is what I'm trying to say. But anyway, okay, so in addition to this kit, which is a full kit, which means that I have four pages, oh my god, why can I not talk today? 4 pages full of stickers, as well as like the uh, header add-on. So I have like a shit ton of stickers to work with. In addition to the kit, I'm pulling in so many of these stunning little tiny like foil deco pieces from the Pretty Pink Co., which I do have a code for that shop. It is Justine15. All my codes will be linked down in the description box as always. And I'm just obsessed with these. I think it was Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan that I saw like using these little tiny deco pieces to like frame like little boxes or like just foil up boxes and all that. And I definitely drew a lot of inspiration from her in like how I marked December in the top of the sidebar, as well as like the half boxes, and like right here, the box that I used to mark Christmas week as well as time with my family. I definitely feel like I drew inspiration from Lauren for those boxes. So here I put down that like snowflake mandala type thing from Ruby J Designs. Again, coupon code for her shop as well. It'll be linked down below. And then it was like, it kind of looked lonely all by itself. So I paired it with this Panda Bird Design Vine scallop half circle. And I just love how that looks. I honestly don't know if I took that idea from someone or if I made it up. But if I took it from someone, I want to guess that Rachel has probably done this already, but anyway, Okay, let's see. Let's talk about the plans now. Am I done like talking about the stickers and not done with talking about the stickers, but like, like the intro to the kit and all that. Okay. Okay, here this was like a really chill week in general. Because this was the week leading up to Christmas, and honestly, like no one, even if people are in the office or like online, like everyone's so chill. So I watched the Mariah Carey Christmas special, which is on Netflix, just to get myself in the mood. I also watched I started Emily in Paris this day, and in addition to those two, I also watched the Ariana Grande concert special, which I didn't have enough room to mark, but I definitely enjoyed watching that. On Tuesday was very exciting with my island. I made a perfect snowboy, which I've actually made quite a few since then, but it was very exciting to get my very first one because like if you play and you've tried to make a snowboy, like if you don't make them perfect, they are rude as fuck to you. They like just criticize your snowboy making skills. So I definitely showed him this day. And I also was able to breed the purple windflowers, which was super, super exciting. I got a lot of purple flowers this week. Yeah, you'll see on Wednesday I got a few more. But okay, I love how I marked holiday shopping. And yes, I went shopping the week of Christmas. Don't come for me. I'm just the worst procrastinator. And this year I was actually trying to like convince my family to maybe not do gifts this year. And they all said no and told me I was ruining Christmas. So, had to go get some presents that day, and I love those like hanging ornaments. Those are from the Pretty Pink Co. And yeah. Okay, so Wednesday I layered this. It's another deco from Ruby J Designs on top of a Panda Bird Design scallop. Really love how that one turned out too. Wait. One thing oh my God, I wanted to go back to Tuesday. It was like at the end of the night, I did a face mask and I also waxed, which like, I was gonna say like that this was a night of self-care, but if you have ever waxed yourself, that is not self-care. That is legit sadism. And I also wanted to mention that Tuesday was my friend Laura's birthday. I didn't mark her birthday in my planner because, to be honest, I don't really mark birthdays in my planner unless like it's an event that I'm going to. Like if it's my, like if we're going out to dinner, I'll be like, oh yeah, it's Laura's birthday dinner or whatever. But I won't just mark happy birthday just for like the shit of it. Okay. Oh, and then Tuesday to mark waxing, I put like a little panty icon from Paper Plush Bar, which I thought was really funny in my own head. Okay, so let's get back to Thursday. Yep, I also bred purple tulips and purple pansies on my island, so I pulled in that switch sticker from Panda Bird Design. This day is the December 23rd is 4 years, our 4 year anniversary from mine and my boyfriend's first kiss. So I actually I don't know if I have Laura to thank for that, but that happened at her birthday party 4 years ago. So fun stuff. I used a fancy frame box from Harrier Designs. I think I've been watching too many of Tay's videos. And then I paired that with some dual hearts from Clever Gal Crafts. On top of every full box, I did use this really pretty like Christmas tree divider. It is from the Pretty Pinko, and I just think it is so cute. They're little tiny trees, and the very middle one has a star on top, which I'm just obsessed with that. On Christmas Eve, which is Thursday here, I'm marking it in a similar way that I marked December in the sidebar. I used that circle box from the Pretty Pinko and then just some deco pieces. And I did layer that over a washi strip and used a script from Rose Colored Days. That is like the mini holiday scripts with Jasenia's hand lettering, which I am obsessed with. Oh, hold on. My man just got home. Hold on. Okay, where were we before we were so rudely interrupted? Um, yeah, I really like how I marked Christmas Eve. That turned out really pretty. Here I took the strip of the bottom washi that I didn't use for the actual bottom washi and I layered the half box over that. I like how what that does is it just essentially expands the height that like this whole thing is taking. So basically like in my head it signifies like a larger amount of time, and I use that to mark that we went to my parents for Christmas Eve dinner, and I used some more of those hanging ornaments that are really stunning. And then at the end of the night we just exchanged some gifts. On Friday I did have the day off, so I'm using that script from Lilac Luna Plans layered over an arrow from the kit. I have a code for Lilac Luna Plans. It's Justine 15. Again, it'll be marked down below. And then I am marking Christmas very, very similar to how I marked Christmas Eve on Thursday, but I'm using that strip of bottom washi again. I just really am obsessed with these pops of red because the kit overall is so neutral and soft, especially with the silver, and just the red just stands out so much and really like pulls it all together and makes it feel Christmassy, So anyway, love how I marked Merry Christmas. And then, of course, since this was like so great this year because I wasn't necessarily expecting that there would be NBA games, but there were. So if you watch the NBA, then you know that Christmas is a huge day in the NBA. Like all the good teams play on Christmas Day. It's kind of like if like you're a basketball player, it's kind of like your dream to play for the NBA on Christmas Day. It's like it's just a nice tradition, kind of like how football, there kind of how like there are good football games on Thanksgiving. So on Christmas, my boyfriend's family, they typically do this like big gathering with all of their friends, and so obviously we couldn't do that this year. We just had dinner at his parents' house, just like the immediate family. And that was actually like really nice. And we ended the night playing Settlers of Catan, which I always see people playing that game, but I never wanted to play because I always thought it was like too complicated, or like one of those games that you really have to think through a specific strategy if you want to win or if you want to do well in the game. And I want games to be more on the simpler side. Not that, like I can't think through a strategy. It's just like it's not as fun if you're like your brain hurts. And I'm super competitive and I want to win. So if like, a game can't be like too complicated that I can't win. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay. But I really enjoyed playing that game. It was so fun. We've played it a couple times since this day as well, and I'm totally into it. So if you want to play Settlers of Catan with me, hit me up. But yeah, it was a very nice, like low key Christmas, and those are honestly like the holidays that I love the most. I'm like, just give me some time with my immediate family, and that's really all I need. Okay, so Saturday, played some fetch in the morning, just pulled in a paw print from Crafts by Towie. Under that, I did the same, like, layering of that Ruby J Designs, like, deco over the Panda Bird design half scallop circle. Really love that, and I love how I was able to do that a few times this week to make it like, a nice cohesive spread, even though it's on a completely different page. And then we started watching The Queen's Gambit this day, pulled in a script from Lilac Plants, and that TV is from White Deer Stationery. I really, really enjoyed that show. So if you haven't seen that show, which you might have already because I feel like everyone and their mother has seen that show, it's pretty good. I really do enjoy it, and I really did enjoy it. And yeah, would totally recommend. I also drank some coquito. My younger brother gifted us a bottle of coquito that his friend made, and that was really yummy. And then I also filmed and uploaded a plan with me that night. Moving on to Sunday, I slept in because, like, even though my Christmas was super low key, I still had to do quite a bit of socializing, with my family and all that. So felt like I deserved to sleep in. So I just layered some hexagons from the kit, and then that sleep in script is my absolute favorite. It's from Planning Roses because I think the eyelashes are just super freaking adorable. Oh, and I guess I didn't mention, and I already did half of this, but I did decide to do that washi sidebar this week, and I really like how that looked. It kind of honestly looks like another, column. So I don't know, but I do like it. I like how having that column filled out just completes the spread. And I like how you can basically pull in all of the leftover stickers from your kit that you weren't able to use throughout the spread. Like I just pulled in headers, like unused quarter boxes, half boxes, washi strips, some more like dividers. I think it turned out pretty nicely. And I really like that idea, and I actually did that in the next spread, which will be my next plan with me. But we watched some more The Queen's Gambit this night. My man also went to visit his family, and I stayed at our place, so I took that opportunity to watch Selena the series, which was okay. I don't know. If you want to talk about it, you can message me, but I just don't know if I liked it enough. I just feel like Selena is iconic. She is incredible, and I don't know if the show really did her justice. But here is the final spread. I'm obsessed. Oh man, I ran out of time, but thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.